Hey y'all, so moms are starting to pop up everywhere now, and I have to share this with you. I actually just ordered my groceries online and stopped in for a pickup after work. While I was waiting in the parking lot for my order to come out, I looked over to my right, and there they were, rows and rows of moms just sitting pretty. The store was really busy, so I knew it might be a little while before they brought out my groceries. Instead of just scrolling my phone, I thought, why not show y'all these mums? They're so bright, colorful, and really the perfect sign that fall is almost here. I'm seeing yellows, oranges, deep reds, and even some purple ones. They're full, healthy, and just begging to be taken home to decorate a porch or a walkway. I had to resist because I don't need one more mum. Honestly, mums are one of those flowers that just make it feel like the season is changing, even if the weather hasn't caught up yet. It's at least still very, very warm in my area. So, while I wait on my order, let's walk through and take a closer look. If you've been thinking about picking up some for your home, now's the time. They're popping up everywhere, and they go fast once people start decorating for fall. All right, let's check them out together. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.